Hey, what's up guys? I'm gonna unbox and review this electric bike. Is equipped with the 1000 watt peak hub drive motor, speeds up to 33 miles an hour and up to 60 miles of range in pedal assist mode. It has dual disc brakes, 26-inch pneumatic tires with an LCD up front giving you all the vital info. It's an aluminum frame. The bike itself weighs 80 pounds and can carry riders of up to 330 pounds, and it has a removable battery. We have our charger user manual, a quick start guide, and the bike user manual with some instructions in there. Alright, so this is the seat post, some air ventilation there, a light in the back which is fairly bright, and it has different modes, which is kind of nice. And it looks like it slides out fairly easily and slides back in. There's a USB cable over here as well, I'm assuming to charge this thing. Gives you some numbers here for how high you want the seat post. We get two fenders, one for the back, one for the front. We get our headlight. It looks like this is adjustable, connects to the handlebar. We get a toolkit bag with the zipper and some actual tools, some wrenches, Allen wrenches, and a Phillips screwdriver. We get the pedals that we're supposed to install. We get our front tire fixing bolt. And we get our AC to DC adapter for charging the battery. It is 100 to 240 volts, if you guys are wondering. And we get some keys. Comes with the key. Without the key, you can't remove the battery. So in order to remove the battery, place the key in, spin it, move this latch, and then from here you can actually remove it, and then you kind of just lift it up, and here's the battery. So it's 48 volts and 15 amps, making it 720 watt hours. And popping it back in, there's a little latch kind of here, so you kind of have to, well, I guess it's probably easier if I move the tire out of the way. And then that's it. And this is where you charge it from. So open this up, plug in the power, and when you're done, just close this and you're good to go. Alright, so for the controls, we're going to start with our brakes. You can adjust how much you press the brakes by adjusting this knob right here. So to turn it on, you hold this M button for a few seconds, screen goes on, and let's start with these left controls. So these are the lights. This is the horn. If you hold it, it makes noise. Now, this is the important part. So this is no help. So when this is at 0, when you're pedaling, 0 help from the motor. This is a little bit of help, and it goes all the way up to 5, which is a lot of help. And with 5, you could get to 33 miles an hour fairly easily, actually. And if you hit the menu button, you could go between all this other stuff, essentially. So this is your energy bar, and when you're using the throttle, this is the throttle right here. it actually goes down quite a bit. If you're pedaling, this kind of stays up higher. So it's kind of basically your battery percentage in a way, but it does move around quite a bit. And then we have our shifter. So this thing actually takes it down and this thing brings it up. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I also have my phone mount by Lamicall. This thing's awesome. And I have my GoPro mount. Just got back from my ride. I was intending to take it for 20-30 minutes or so. Ended up being an hour and 43 minutes. I actually logged it with GPS tracks on the iPhone. So I went an hour and 43 minutes and 30 kilometers. And my top speed was 55.8 kilometers an hour, according to GPS tracks on the iPhone. So I went on the streets. Very comfortable, very smooth. You can easily get to 33 miles an hour, assuming you're in speed 5. And you can even get there just by using the throttle. Granted, me being on the bike, having pedals, I was naturally pedaling without even realizing I was pedaling probably 90-95% of the time. I had to actively think to use the throttle. But when you're using the throttle, it kind of takes away from it takes way more energy rather than when you're pedaling. When you're pedaling, the bike automatically kicks in and it starts going for you. I also went on the sidewalk for some more bumpiness, and that was fine as well. And then finally I went off-roading, which was a blast in this thing. So again, everything was fine. I mean, I didn't go crazy or anything like that. I wasn't going 500 miles an hour or anything, but for all the terrain I took it on, for the price of this thing, for the performance I got out of it, and all of this, I didn't even charge it out of the box. I took it out of the box, built it, and just took it for a ride. It's very, very fun to ride. I even took it down the stairs. Not too many, but just a few, just to see if I could go. And the only thing that happened on this bike is that this fender got a bit loose. So you could see that it got a bit loose, so I basically need to tighten that a bit more. Aside from that, this thing is amazing. Let me know what you guys think in the comment sections below. As always, smash that subscribe button, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.